Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? I'm Gautam Sir and I'm here again with Everything Spanish. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a really delicious drink called Sangria. Sangria is a wine punch that originated in Spain and Portugal but has really traveled all across Europe, where it has been popular for hundreds of years. The drink basically consists of red wine, citrus fruit, a dash of brandy and carbonated water. Since its introduction, many changes have taken place, including using white wine and fruits such as kiwi, strawberry, also using liquor such as whiskey and replacing the soda water with oftentimes Sprite and sometimes ginger ale as well. For a really refreshing summer drink or for a great time at a summer party, try mixing up a batch of sangria at your next social gathering. My suggestion would be to take your bottle of red wine, empty it into some type of container, fill it with the fruit that you want to use, throw in a dash of brandy, let it sit for 2 to 3 days. Then the day you are going to serve it, about 10 minutes before your guests arrive, go ahead and add your carbonated beverage. Sprite works extremely well, and then from there on you have yourself a good time. So this was just a brief introduction to a delicious Spanish drink. I'll keep coming up with more. So if you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till then, adios.